Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate and reset your Joy-Con 2. If you have a malfunction that you cannot pair it with your console, there are different kinds of possibilities. First step, of course, we go to the menu where we are going to add a controller into it. And then on the controller itself, there is a think button. This think button we can push for approximately 3 seconds. That means that is performing the soft reset of that small controller. And then it will automatically go to pair mode. And if you are in the console in that mode that you are going to pair the Joy-Con 2, it will be automatically paired. First thing is player 1 and the second one is player 2. If you like to do them as well as one unit, you can push the L and left and L right button for it, and then they are paired again. That's easy, eh? The other thing is, of course, if they're not working, the most commonly troubleshooting thing is after you push on the sync button for 2 up to 3 seconds to make a soft reset is to get them directly paired, wired, so directly docked into your console. Take the Nintendo Switch 2 console and take your Joy-Con on the right and left side. That means you have, for example, an orange and a blue one. The orange is on the right side and the other color is the blue one is on the left side. And you get them snapped into position and they will be automatically paired then. And this is the WiredWare because it is docked in directly on the console, and that should be done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!